Guys, welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. It's probably gonna be my last video in a decent amount of time before I start uploading again, just because I'm heading back to school now. So I will not have the full amount of time to actually dedicate to this channel. I didn't have enough time this summer to upload due to a job commitment, which was a lot. I did my best to upload here and there, usually on weekends. I could get a couple videos up, but sadly I did not meet my goal for what I wanted to upload over the course of the summer. I didn't upload as many videos as I wanted to, but that's okay because there's still time in the future for me to do that. Sorry if I'm not looking into the lens, I'm just looking into the viewfinder of my phone. So I'm going to be taking a break from here. I usually make this video like once a year, just when I go back to school, and let you guys just know what's going on at the moment. So going to take a pause. I'm going to be continually uploading podcast episodes on the College Made Easy podcast. I'm going to link that down in the description below. You guys can head over there. You can listen to the audio version, which is available on all podcasting platforms, as well as the YouTube channel we also have, which is the video version where you can actually see us. The video version is going to be translating over to in person, where I'm actually filming with a real camera and real microphones, and we're all sitting around a table basically. So quality should go up in that regard. So I'm looking forward to that, especially. It's not going to be Zoom calls anymore. Although maybe with guests, we would have someone on Zoom, so we can just communicate remotely with them. It all depends on the current situation, circumstance that we're in. So podcast, taking a break from this channel. I'm gonna have to take a break from Gaming Made Easy. I'm not bringing my Xbox to school, so that as well. Other than that, I mean, you guys can go watch my older episodes on here. I have a gazillion videos on this channel. I'm sure not all of you have watched every single video I've ever done on this channel. Sorry, my arm's getting tired. But yeah, I got plenty of content on this channel if you guys haven't watched that already. So you just go check out previous videos I've done, and I might get a video up here and there while I'm at school. I probably have a decent amount of free time on my hands this semester, so look forward to that. If you guys aren't already, subscribe, hit the bell notifications. You guys know exactly when I upload. I'm gonna try to live stream some poker if I can at school. I don't know if I will be able to. I'll try though. I tried to do that this summer, but I just didn't have the time to actually do so. But yeah, look forward to that. And I'll see you guys in the next video, whenever that may be. It's probably gonna be random, to be honest. So I'm excited, looking forward to it. Thank you guys so much for all the support over the course of the summer, and let's continue that in the fall. So with that, I will see you guys in the next video, whenever that may be, by Life Made Easy. Peace, guys.